How to buy TAOCAT, the TAOCAT buy virtuals. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before that, make sure to take a look on their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and check it. Now to be able to buy this token, it's by going to CoinMarketCap. Open the token there and go here to copy the token address under contract. So make sure this token is under Base network. Now go to your Bitkit wallet and open it. Now go to your wallet and make sure to select the Base network from here. Just click on this plus icon. Now here paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Just click on plus. Now after that, go back to be able to click on it. After that, this is our token. Just click on it. Click here on swap and click on here on switch. Now in here, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use USDT. After that, make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitkit wallet. From here, just type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now just click on buy to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the TAOCAT token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.